The inverse operation is something that's taught from year 1 all the way up to year 6 and beyond. Inverse operations are just opposite operations, so one reverses the effect of another basically. And quite often children are given missing number problems like this one and need to use the inverse to try and work out what the missing number is. So I've come up with a practical way to do it using Duplo blocks and a whiteboard pen. So I've written a number sentence here with a missing number. So 14 plus something equals 22. And the idea is that children have a look at that and think about how they need to rearrange this number sentence in order to use the inverse so we can find this missing number here. So the first thing they need to think about is what is the inverse of add, and that is take away or subtract. So they can rub that out and write the new operation there. Then they need to rearrange these to help us find this missing number. So we're going to start with the biggest number, because when we subtract we always start with the biggest number. We're going to put in the number that we've got here, which was 14, and then we're going to put equals our question mark, because that's the calculation we need to do to work out our missing number. They can then do this calculation and work out that the missing number would be 8, and put that in there. And then to check it, we would then go back to our original number sentence and have a go and see if the missing number is in fact 8. So